double angle formula. For any angles A, we have three different type of formula. The first one is for sine 2A, and next one is cos 2A, and the last one is for tangent 2A. But from the formula, we notice that sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. Tangent 2A only got one formula, which is 2 tangent A over 1 minus tangent square A. But for cos 2A, we have three different formulas. The first one is cos square A minus sine square A. Second one is 2 cos square A minus 1. And then the last one is 1 minus 2 sine square A. So we have to choose which one is the best formula depending on the information that we get from the question. So let's take a look at example 8. We are given cos A equals to 3 over 2. Find the value of cos 2A. So by looking at the three formulas, so 1, 2, 3, the question only gives you cos A. For the first formula, you need to have both cos and sine. And the third formula, you need to have sine A. So the most suitable formula for this one is the second one, which is 2 cos square A minus 1. Okay, let's substitute the formula. So, cos square A is basically the same as cos A square. So, substitute the values, 3 over 2 square minus 1. And we should get the answer of 1 over 2. Example 10. Without using calculator, we have to find the exact value of 2 sine 22.5 cos 22.5. So first, we're going to substitute 22.5 as our theta. So we have the double angle of 2 sine theta cos theta equals to sine 2 theta. Substitute theta as 22.5, we will get 2 sine 22.5 cos 22.5, which is equal to sine 2 times 22.5. So 2 times 22.5 is basically 45. And from the table from previous, you get the values of sine 45 as 13 over 2. For half angle formulas, basically the formula is similar as a double angle, but the difference is only on the angle. Alright. The sine A. We have here 2 sine A over 2 cos A over 2. And for tangent A, we have formula of 2 tangent A over 2 over 1 minus tangent square A over 2. But similar to double angle, only cos got 3 different formulas. Alright, so which one to choose from? It depends on what type of information that you have in the question. You must choose carefully when it comes to cos A. Example 12. Given that sine A equals to negative 8 over 17 and cos B equals to 3 over 5, where A and B are in the same quadrant, find the following without using calculator. We're going to discuss part A only in this video. So first, we have to figure out which quadrant that actually satisfy both conditions of sine negative and cos positive. There's only one quadrant, which is quadrant 4. So first, we need to draw two triangles in quadrant 4 for A and B. So A, sine A is negative 8 over 17. And cos B is 3 over 5. So from Pythagoras theorem, we're going to get the values of 15 over here and negative 4 over here. So let's list down the value that we have. So the question actually gives you sine A only. But from the triangle, we can get cos A, which is 15 over 17. For B, we were given cos B equals to 3 over 5. But we can figure out the values of sine B, which is negative 4 over 5. We don't need to find tangent A and tangent B because the question didn't ask for it. So to figure out the values of cos A over 2, we need to use half angle. So to find cos A over 2, we have to choose from 3 different formulas. And the most suitable formula for this one is 2 cos square A over 2 minus 1. Let's substitute cos A, which is 15 over 17. Okay, so in order to find cos A over 2, we need to make sure cos square A over 2 becomes the subject matter. So move -1 to the left hand side and it becomes 32 over 17. Divide both sides by 2 to get 16 over 17, and in order to get cos A over 2, we need to square root both sides. It becomes plus minus 16 over 17. And when we simplify, it becomes plus minus 4 over 17. Okay, let's think now. Right? Okay, so you have two different values for cos A over 2. So we start off, our A is from 270 to 360, which is in the fourth quadrant. Now, the angle has become A over 2. So we halve it to 135 to 180, which is in quadrant 2. So in second quadrant, A, S, T, C. In the second quadrant, on the side will be positive. So our cos will be negative. So that's why we're going to take the final answer of -4 over 17.